We love to live outside during the summertime, but we also live in Florida, so it is very hot. So I bought this standing misting fan. You know, you see these fans at the theme parks and all around, and it makes a huge difference when water is just gently being misted on you. So we wanted one for our back porch. I found this one. I'm ready to give it a try. So let's unbox it together, and then I will get it set up and show you exactly how it works. Let's see. We have water porting. This is going to be my pole. This is going to be my base. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Everything is packed really well in giant bubble wrap. So we will, okay, it's a shiny black plastic on top and a composite material on the bottom. Yeah, it's heavy. I thought it was metal, but I think it's composite. It could be metal. Anyway, it's heavy. So we've got that. Let's pull this out. This is our fan body. Okay, also packaged beautifully. Oh, very nice. Okay, yeah, really well made. We're nice and heavy, heavy duty. All of your controllers are covered in plastic to protect them, which I like, so things don't get scratched during shipping. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, there's a remote. It's right here on the back, and it's magnetic. Okay. And then, finally, in the box, we have the hardware bag and a charging cord. So I am going to go ahead and put it together. There it is. Okay, I have it all put together. It was very simple, very few parts, comes with everything it needs, and then some. They actually send you a couple of extra nozzles, which is where your water comes out, and then they send you an extra filter, which goes in here. Now, this little contraption with your hose would sit down in a bucket of water. I'm going to put mine on my back porch. So I think I'm going to find a flower pot that is really pretty and decorative and doesn't have a hole in it so that it can just sit right with my fan on the back porch. It does, as I mentioned, it does have a little remote control that goes on the back. So it controls everything from here, or you can control it right here on the front. On the back is a small door where your USB-C charger goes. And then there's also a spot where you can just plug it into the wall for constant use if you're concerned about running out of battery where you are. Yeah, so easy. So let me turn it on very quickly for you. I have a small bucket of water sitting down here on the ground. So, okay. I had my husband already test it out and it's pretty strong. So, okay, you can control whether the fan oscillates from 45 degrees or if it goes 90. So that is very nice. And then when you hit your misting button, it immediately starts misting. As you can see, it's literally shooting at the camera. If you hit it again, it goes to P2. So P2, it takes just a second to kick in. But what it'll do is it'll pulse, and it pulses, here we go. So it's pulsing, and then if you hit P3, it pulses faster. So yeah, and it really throws some great water. It's amazing how much cooler the air feels with just a touch of water added to it. So I hope that this helped you in your decision-making process, and I hope that you enjoy your product.